Hi friend, this is Vivek. Yesterday we talked about the Coventry. Today we can talk about Flyberty debate. Flyberty debate is something that is your forte. आप अगर अपने बातों से किसी को मोहित कर लेते you have to just going to be captive someone with your Flyberty debate. That is very good. You are a blandishment. You are having some kind of a pleonasm is also happening over there. आप जरूर से ज़्यादा भी बोल देते हैं दैट बिकम्स ए बैड हैबिट बैड आइडियोसिंक्रेसिस बट इट्स ओके कम से कम बोलने से दैट यू हैव टू कम आउट with ideas, with paradigm shift, and you have to talk all those things which is maybe it is in quotes well out, maybe it is not going to be sensible, but it's okay that it creates a kind of a situation in which you have to talk about a lot of things which is maybe plethora, which is sensible. So somehow, somewhere, all those things is in the mix over there. और मेरा ये मानना है that you have to just be silent yourself all the time is not good. You have to fly participate. आप बातें करिए, खूब सारी बातें करिए. If you don't get you have to do a monologue. You have just do a soliloquy. When you are just doing a soliloquy, then you have to find something is very essence of your life is missing, and it's not coming in a regular basis. But you are talking continuous talking has been good, and continuous talking gives you some kind of idea, some kind of thing which has been very useful for your life. You have to talk about it. जितनी बातें आप करते हैं that it's been going to be good for you. You are just getting yourself better and better for that, and you have been ameliorated all the time. मेरा मानना है that when you are getting improvisation from anywhere, then you have to pick that thing, your own habit for that thing. एंड सम हाउ समवेयर जब हम लोग किसी चीज़ पे होते हैं तो हम लोग वायलेंट भी हो जाते हैं क्योंकि कोई चीज़ गलत अगर निकल जाती है लाइक दैट द पीपल आर गेटिंग रिप स्नॉटर व्हेन दे डोंट वांट इट टू बी बट दे आर गेटिंग इट और ब्लैंडिशमेंट जरूर रहना चाहिए बातों में ब्लैंडिशमेंट बातों में कैजुअलिंग इज़ वेरी नेसेसरी इट इज़ वेरी साइन टू अ नॉन दैट यू हैव टू बी ब्लैंडिशमेंट यू हैव टू बी कैजुअल इन योर टॉक एंड उससे क्या होता है पीपल आर गेटिंग मेस्मराइज्ड बाय यू captive about you and they want to listen you. This is the good thing that you have to just produce your way और आप bestow करिए वही चीज़ जो आपको अच्छी लगती है. Whatever you have to going to be bestowed, whatever you are going to vouchsafe, that you have to just give into that manner the way you are accepting it. और people उसको accept करेंगे, people उसको मानेंगे, then the things is going to be good for everyone when they pass to each other. then the things will be अगर अच्छी चीज़ें हैं तो अच्छी चीज़ बढ़ेगी और बुरी चीज़ है तो बुरी चीज़ को कोई वो नहीं होता अंत नहीं होता किसी भी चीज़ का. कॉइन के दो साइड होते हैं everybody know about that coin is having a two sides. One side is been good, one side is been bad. He has nothing about the Janus Fest, nothing about that. You ignore the Janus Fest. Janus Fest को आप इग्नोर नहीं कर सकते. Janus Fest तो होता ही होता है. दोहरे चेहरे के साथ आदमी जीता है, दोहरे चेहरे के साथ हर व्यू में दो थॉट आता है. So you have to be flyberty debate, and you have to be garrulous yourself. That maybe it is been nonsense. Maybe it is like that कि आप बेमतलब का pleonasm कर रहे हैं. You are just doing a pleonasm. More than useful talk, you have been talking more than that. So it's not bad. I think that you have to don't get a representative into that. आप किसी को trample ना करिए. That you don't have to be trample anyhow. आप रिजाइलेंस रहिए अपने थॉट में. यू हैव टू बी रिजाइलेंस इन योर थॉट. वॉट एवर यू आर थिंकिंग यू हैव टू बी फ्लेक्सिबल इन टू दैट. और स्टबर्न होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. यू डोंट नीड टू बी स्टबर्न. यू हैव टू बी वॉट एवर यू आर लिसनिंग यू हैव टू जस्ट इन्वॉल्व योर सेल्फ ओवर देयर. अगर आपकी कोटरी में कोई प्रॉब्लम है, इफ सम वेयर प्रॉब्लम इन योर कोटरी, देन यू हैव टू टॉक ऑल दोज पीपल. और उसके बाद उससे कोई सोल्यूशन दैट यू हैव टू कम आउट विद दैट. एंड दिस हाउ इज बिन हैपन बाई ओनली फ्लाइबर्टी debate. Maybe it's some kind of a thing which others cannot understand. ये maverick हो सकता है. This is maybe maverick for somebody, but you are unusual. That's why you are being listening by the others. और जो लोग आपको सुन रहे हैं, that you have to producing that thing which is very essence for them, which is very sine qua non for them. और sine qua non तभी हो सकता है when you have been giving some kind of stuff, some kind of subject which has been very much be in society, which is very much is, you can say, it's been we update someone. It may be some kind of improvisation to someone. that is when you okay with that kind of thing which they can accept it. और मेरा मानना है that you have to just improvise all the time. आप फ्लाई पार्टिसिपेट करिए, कुछ बातें करिए, आप अपने आप को एक पोट्री में डालिए. टॉन्स वॉक हमेशा पूछते हैं that how why you are using two languages, why you are using two lingo. I always tell them कि आप लिंगो पे फोकस ना करिए. You have to just think about what the stuff we are talking about, what the content we are talking about, and we are talking about on the content. Content समझ में आना चाहिए. Audience should be understand what we are saying, what we are communicating to you. वो जवाब अगर आपको समझ में आएगा then it's been very good for me that I will be explaining into that manner. और ब्लाइंडिशमेंट करने का तभी आपको एक मिथ मिलता है, एक exaltation मिलता है when you the other person is been understanding into that way, the way you are communicating to them. Maybe it is fly-by-tip debate, maybe it is in the blather all the time, but you have to just say whatever you want to say, and maybe it is will be pleonasm, but you don't bother about that. You have to speak on and make yourself in a good position and make the other people, give the other people that thing which they don't know, which they don't have it to be reach over there. You have become the bridge over there. और इसी तरह से जो है हम लोग फ्लाई पार्टिसिपेट पे वर्क करते हैं. एंड अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो आप लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकन दबाइए. थैंक यू, लव यू ऑल.